Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We appreciate the Independent Kenya Women Awards for this auspicious occasion that they have invited us here just to celebrate our young girls through sports. We have also engaged in tree planting activities. We want to encourage our young girls to keep at school and not be deceived by men who are there, vultures demanding to give them sanitary towels for free and then engage in sexual activities. We are here just with the new generation aspirants NGA and to support this great initiative, and through this initiative our young girls are able to get education. They are able also to escape those vices in the society. We find that HIV prevalence is very high in the society today among even the young girls. I was talking to one of the organizers and they have told me that when they test 10 girls, they find that 8 of them have